Let's go. Ta-da! What is this, my friend? Look at this. A lot of muddy car here. Let's go clean up. Okay? Alright. We are going to clean up all, my friend. See? So muddy here. Okay, no problem. Muddy car. Let's see what is going to be, my friend. Okay. Let's see here. Wow. There's water here, my friend. Yes, man. Okay. What is this, my friend? Whoa, my friend. It's amazing. It's just playing, my friend. Nice. Okay. This one is, what is this? Kind of big truck, my friend. Let's see. Yes, it is. Big truck. Clean already. And this one is wow, what is this? This is let's see, I don't know, my friend.
Hey, costume girl! You know, at first I thought you were out here because
Me queen, maybe. Friend of me queen. No problem. And this one is dinosaurs. Very nice. Amazing. Okay. What is this? Wow, this is a big truck. It's just a gold mine. Gold mining. Nice. Okay. See, what is this? Fabulous, my friend. Very good. Nice. Amazing. Okay. Alright. Hi, everybody now. Me Queen. Yeehaw. Very nice. Amazing. Wow. And what is this, my friend? Ooh, just Shelly. I don't know. I'm not sure, my friend.
Hey, boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
No problem. Okay. And this one is... Alright, this is Tayo. Green Tayo, my friend.
Wow!
Logie, can I take this with me?
Of course!
Very nice. Yeehaw. Okay. And this one is Forest Blue. I don't know, rally or mascara maybe.
In 27th place, and the last car on the lead lap at the moment, and Lavani went around off turn number 4. And
Okay, nice. And what is this? Let's see, my friend. Wow, amazing. This is double cabin Jeep. Very good. Okay. What is this, my friend? That's it. This is a monster truck. Very nice monster truck. Good. Alright. What is this? See? Somebody? No problem. Okay, a rally car. Rally car, good. And this one is, what is this? This is Thomas. Okay, Thomas.
Felt to me like the animals were in charge of the railway in India. I didn't think that could ever happen.
Very nice. Amazing, Thomas. Okay. Alright. What is this, my friend? This is a tomato.
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now.
Okay. Ooh. Good. And this one, this Okay, it's just the drag race.
It was a very solid elapsed time that he had in his back pocket anyway, but he didn't need any of it because you can see that flinch on the opposite side of the racetrack.
Very good. Amazing. Wow, what else? Alright, what is this, my friend? This is a Jeep, my friend. See? Beautiful Jeep. Alright, Jeep, nice. And this one is what is this? Beautiful minibus. Tayo.
Pat!
Kyle!
What's going on?
Over there!
Huh?
Okay, the blue one. Good. Alright, what is this, my friend? This is a snow tractor. Okay, very nice. Amazing. What else? Okay, what this is, my friend? Wow, this is a fire rescue. Nice, fire rescue. Very good. Okay, what is this? Aha, this is spoon. Aha, Aurora Temptum. No problem. Okay, this one is the rally car. Nice, rally car, beautiful. This is a loader. Okay, loader, no problems. Kidding already, my friend. This one is hi, are you again, my friend?
You took it, didn't you?
What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Yellow one. Very nice, beautiful. This one is the rally car again, see? Rally car.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Very good. Okay, round. And what is this? See? The white color is a police car, my friend. Alright, very good. Okay, and this one's, what is this? This is a serif. Okay, nice serif. Very good. What is this? This one, NASCAR again. Wow, nice. And this one, there's rally car. Haha. So many rally cars, my friend. Very good. Okay, clean. Last one is, what is this? This is a Formula 1, my friend. Very nice. Okay. See, my friend. No more. And this one is clean already.